The quickest and easiest way to produce data to dimension your infiltration system is to perform percolation tests in tubes. The test can be done in all types of ground and soil instead of another common method, sieve analysis. Take a soil sample of around 5 centimeters at the depth level the infiltration is to be laid, or slightly deeper. The sample can be taken horizontally or vertically. Twisting the tube helps ensure the tube is filled without any gaps at the edges, which is important for obtaining accurate test results. If you smear a bit of grease around the inside of the tube, this helps obtain more accurate values. When you have attached the filter and sleeve, place the tubes in the plastic tray. The next step is to measure the depth of the soil sample. This is easy to do with the measuring ruler. Note the depth of each sample. Attach the dipstick with the 25mm tab to the upper edge of the tube. The next step is to saturate the samples with water. Fill the plastic tray until water runs out of the holes. Top up the tube several times so the samples are thoroughly saturated. It is now time to collect test data. Fill the tubes right to the top with water. Start the timer and measure how long it takes for the water to percolate 25mm. Carefully note the results. If it takes less than 5 minutes for the water to percolate, repeat the same test at least twice more. If, however, it takes much longer for the water to sink, read and note how far the water has sunk after 2 hours. For infiltration to be possible, the water must drain at a rate of at least 1 millimeter per hour in a soil sample that is at least 3 centimeters deep. At the end of the test, you should have 2 values you can use in the graph: the depth of the soil sample and the drainage time. If, for example, the percolation time is 2 minutes and the sample is 6 centimeters deep, this will give you an LTAR, or long-term acceptance rate, of between 30 to 40 litres per square metre for 24 hours. When dimensioning the system, use the lower value, which will give you an additional safety margin.